Welcome to Spark Email for Teams.
Spark Email isn't just for managing individual inboxes. It's a powerful tool for team collaboration. In this guide, we'll uncover its best features for working together, helping you communicate efficiently, stay organized, and respond faster as a group. Get ready to unlock new ways to boost your team's productivity using Spark.
Shared inboxes for seamless teamwork.
With Spark Shared Inboxes, your team can manage group emails together, like support or info accounts. Assign emails to the right teammates, track progress, and ensure everyone sees updates in real time. Shared inboxes help prevent missed messages and let teams respond quickly, streamlining your communications.
Email assignments and delegation.
Assign email conversations directly to teammates in Spark. This feature keeps everyone on the same page and clarifies who is responsible for each task. You can add private notes for context, set deadlines, and easily follow up, reducing confusion and making delegation straightforward for the whole team.
Collaborative drafts and real-time editing.
Spark allows multiple team members to collaborate on email drafts in real time, edit, suggest changes, and chat privately within the email thread before sending. This ensures responses are well-crafted, accurate, and consistent with your team's voice, while streamlining the review process.
Private in-thread comments.
Use private comments to discuss emails with your team without the recipient seeing your internal discussions. Ask questions, clarify details, or strategize responses right alongside the message. This keeps communication centralized and secure, replacing long email chains or external chat threads.
Boosting productivity and response times.
By combining shared inboxes, assignments, collaborative drafts, and private comments, Spark Email empowers teams to work smarter and respond faster. These features reduce miscommunication and help your team focus on what matters, delivering timely, effective replies to every message.